Hi, this is Antonio from IBS. In this video, I'm going to explain to you how you can use ChatGPT to create images. So in order to use ChatGPT to create images, you just need to access chat.openai. If you are paying the premium license, then you get access to ChatGPT 4. Otherwise, you're going to be stuck with ChatGPT 3.5, which may not have this feature. So this is specifically for customers paying their license and being able to use ChatGPT 4. Now, the advantages of this is that it actually can save you a lot of time when dealing with creating content or creating images. So now when you click on ChatGPT 4, you have many options to select from. One of them is DALL-E, which is the engine to create images for you. So let's say I want to create an image of a Puerto Rican on the moon. And I need it to be a rendered image so that the quality looks better. So let's see what it comes with. Now remember, before you click send, you need to activate the DALL-E beta so that it actually works. So let's click here and let's see what kind of images it provides us. Now this might take a few, maybe a few seconds more than ChatGPT will do, and it's just because, as you can see, it actually kind of translates what you're asking into prompt to DALL-E and then processes through DALL-E, which it's not as fast as just creating text, but it's actually generating the image for you. Now let's see what it actually came with. So it came with this picture over here, which looks good, right? It's rendered, looks nice, looks pretty. Now the flag of Puerto Rico doesn't look like Puerto Rico, so I would just not like this one. Now if I look at this one, now it's actually putting that astronaut with the flag of Puerto Rico and the background of the Earth and the galaxies at the end, right? So I kind of prefer this one for the information I asked. So what I'm gonna do is that, let's say that you actually created a square, so I want it to be landscape. So I can just go here and say I like the second one, and you can go ahead and ask for more changes if you like. Now it's not going to be exactly the same. It kind of changes, varies once you keep asking. So just consider that. If you really like a picture, maybe kind of control your asks to ChatGPT, because it may actually change some of the things that you actually like from the picture. So I like the second one. Can you create it landscape? Let's see what it does. Now you gotta go to the process again, just kind of wait a few seconds while it's processing, and maybe we can ask later if we can add an alien next to the astronaut and see how that goes. Now let's see how it goes. But you can see, right, all this, you can just save a lot of time instead of creating this picture from yourself. It may take some time. Now look at this. As I said before, right, this was the picture initially, and this is the second one. It actually changed it. This astronaut is standing, and this one is not. Kind of prefer the flag, right, with the wind in the space, or this is maybe more realistic. Maybe kind of figure it out that as it went from one iteration to the other one. So just think to consider. Let me just say and ask for alien here. Can you make the astronaut kind of stand up? The astronaut stand up, and add an alien to it. Now I actually typed this incorrectly. As you can see, you can just select from here. It will actually ask you for the correction. And now let's go ahead and click this one and see what it generates for us. So let's say you're a content creator, you create all these YouTube videos. Um, one of the things you can do with this is just actually ask to create content for you to maybe create your thumbnails. You know, sometimes we just spend time on Canva or some kind of other application just creating a good looking thumbnail. Look at that. Look at that. That's pretty funny. So as you can see, right, we got many different type of pictures from a Puerto Rican in the moon, and we actually got it to interact with an alien. So now this is really, really good. Maybe can you add a space craft in some place here? So as you can see, you can just continue to use it. So, you know, one of the things I pay for ChatGPT 4 and you know, the premium advantages is $20 a month for ChatGPT 4. I think it just, you know, it just pays itself, right? $20 in a month. I would just spend more just trying to figure out what kind of thumbnails I would put here for this video, or generate code for me, or look for things now. So we're gonna create more videos about how to go ahead and use ChatGPT even more and with further options. Well, look at that. So it actually created some kind of, I guess, you know, one spacecraft from Earth and the other one from the alien, I guess. Yeah, that's kind of weird. And actually look at it kind of messed up with the hand of the alien. I don't know, you kind of see this hand over here and this is kind of floating, so it's kind of some kind of crazy. The hand of the alien looks crazy. Can you correct it? Also, you know, the flag, we are in the moon. The flag should be, you know, not moving. There is no air, so compensate, you know, make the flag look realistic. And can you make the astronaut and alien look forward? Let's see here. Let's correct this again. I always get it wrong. There, we're good. Now let's see what we see here, right? Because we're seeing the alien, the eyes looking to us, but I don't know, I see a butt here, so maybe it's just, you know, the alien are just crazy or just like that, they're inverted. Let's see what it generates now. I guess, you know, with this we just stop the video, but in your house, right, if you're paying this ChatGPT 4, just playing around gets kind of crazy, the creative things it can actually create for you and save you time with. So yeah, still processing here. One of them that actually I liked a lot. Let's see if I can load that one. That old one. It was about, I think it's this one. Yeah, this one I like a lot in one of my previous asks. But anyways, let's see what generated now. Okay, so now it looks like, you know, something different. I kind of prefer like the old versions of it. But as you can see, right, you can just, you know, choose what you want or just continue, or maybe just create it in chat and just go straight to the point. So well, I hope you like this video, and we'll continue playing with ChatGPT 4 in the next videos. Thank you. See you in the next one.